Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and this is Triple Play Saturday Round 3. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and this is Triple Play Saturday Round 3. Now, the name of this watch face is WFP 32 Weather. Now, WFP definitely gets down on some watch faces. If you have never checked out his lineup, you need to check it out in the Gear Manager store. But taking a look at this watch face in always on mode, it looks just as good. I like the watch face more so when it's on. I like the way it lights up. I like the theme of it and the uniqueness as well. Now, if you look at the top, you get Friday. You have a slight design that goes down on both sides. Here, you're going to get your weather info. It tells you the weather in Celsius. I need to find out how to get it to show in Fahrenheit, and it gives you the city that you're in. You also get a weather icon over here to let you know, what kind of day it is, whether it's sunny and cloudy, whether it's just, cloudy and overcast. That's what's showing right now in my area today. You also get a battery gauge, which I love battery gauges. I love those. And you get your date. If I tap here, I can set an alarm. If I tap here, I can get my weather, and at the top, I can get my calendar, set an event, or just take a look at what's going to happen in weeks ahead. So I'm thinking this was definitely a good look, but if I double tap at the top, I can customize the color of the watch face, which I love, depending on what I'm wearing. Of course, this is the daytime looking watch face. Here, double tap again, they go blue. Just cycle through till you get to the one you like, and it offers quite a few to start off with. All right, you all, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. I hope you enjoyed Triple Play Saturday as much as I did. And if you liked it, please take the time and hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then subscribe to my channel. And as always, I'm going to see you all at the next video. But most of all, enjoy the rest of your weekend. See you at the next one.